Hello there, Aquarius. Welcome to your monthly reading. So, this reading is for the month of October, Aquarius sign. Hindi lahat na Aquarius maka-resonate sa reading na to. So, please take what resonates and leave the rest. Cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo tatlo at hindi sila Aquarius sign, okay? So, put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate. So, pag hindi kayo naka-resonate, Aquarius, please do check your other placement. Your sun, your moon, your rising, your Venus sign, dahil pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate. And kahit naka-resonate kayo sa reading na to, still do check your other placements. Okay? Dahil pwedeng makonect doon yung reading nyo. However, maka-resonate pa din kayo. So, let's see, Aquarius, your love reading for the month of October. Ano ang kailangan nyong malaman? So, let's start. Ano ang nangyayari ngayon sa relationship ninyo, sa love life ninyo, Aquarius? Wow, Aquarius. Oh God. Okay. So, Aquarius, merong nag-offer sa'yo dito ng commitment. Goals together, promises, stability, and new beginning, it changes. And, of course, pagmamahalan na wagas. Nag-offer, pero ayaw mo siyang tanggapin. So, this is what is happening right now. Hindi ka sure kung tatanggapin mo pa ba siya. Hindi ka sure kung gusto mo ba siya. Or hindi ka sure kung baka committed siya sa iba. Baka may responsibility siya sa iba. Baka may anak siya, may pamilya siya. Kaya, parang ayaw mo siyang tanggapin. So, parang mas gusto mo maging masaya, mag-focus sa yung career and finances, mag-focus sa trabaho mo. Parang feeling ko may pinagdaanan ka, kaya parang ayaw mo nang mangyari to ulit this time. So, sobrang nagiging high priestess ka this time, mapagmasid, matiyag, or hindi ka na nagiging naive sa mga kung sino man papasok sa buhay mo. But this person really, ang ganda ng offer niya sa'yo, but still, you are not sure about that. Or you don't even wanted to accept the offer. So, let's see what happened before. Okay, what happened in the past. Okay. So, meron palang ng ghost sa'yo before or recently or in the past or recent past. May nang ghost sa'yo that you thought this person is really into you, na willing siya to move forward towards with you. And sobrang naghintay ka sa taong ito na bumalik sa'yo, na nang-go sa'yo hanggang sa nakapag-move on ka na lang talaga. So, sobrang bigat ng binigay sa'yo ng taong ito. Parang sobrang mabigat na problema ang binigay niya sa'yo. Pasan na pasan mo yung problema ninyo, then siya is umalis na lang siya ng hindi nagpaalam. Until sa nagkaroon ka ng confident dito sa sarili mo that I need to move on and I need to walk away emotionally from this relationship. Ipaglaban yung yung sarili mo to rebuild yourself. So, sobra palang healing process ang pinagdaanan mo recently or in the past sa paghihintay sa person na to. Kaya may dumating sa'yo dito, ayaw mo na siyang tanggapin kasi natatakot ka na maulit-ulit yung nakaraan mo. So, about this person na dumating sa'yo, Ano yung nararamdaman niya talaga para sa'yo. Okay, so let's see about that. So, ano talaga yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo dito? Okay, so pasensya kung may mga ingay ha. Please don't mind about the noise. Anyway, feeling ko dito, ang naramdaman niya sa'yo is stress. Madami kang iniisip na mga bagay-bagay. Sobra kang nakafocus sa yung career, finances, self. Parang masyado kang aloof. Well, this is really the one of the personality of of an Aquarius. Pero kahit ganun pa man, willing pa din siya talaga mag-offer sa'yo ng new beginning, Aquarius. This person really like you. Very much confused even si person sa'yo. Kasi this person is like a matured one. Matured siya kung mag-isip. Matured siya kung mag-isip about sa future. Pero feeling ko kasi dito para sa'yo, hindi ka sure or ayaw mo even natanggapin. Minsan hindi mo siya nga kinakausap. Nag-gather ka na some ideas. You are also gathering some information about this person. Kasi minsan takot ka na talaga. Ang nakikita ko sa'yo dito, takot na mapunta ulit sa maling tao. Yun yung takot mo na masaktan ka ulit gaya ng sobrang sacrifice na binigay mo dito sa past person mo. Let's see about anong nararamdaman mo ngayon about this new person that is coming into your life. You also want, nakaramdam ka din na, okay, I want to try, parang ganun, I want to take the leap of faith, pero I am really afraid, you are really afraid of cheating. You are really afraid, you are really gathering some information about, meron ka mga ginagawang mga bagay na, nag-gather ka ng information about this person to make sure. And, still really nandun ka sa point of, moving on talaga, like okay ka na mag-isa, sobrang nakafocus ka sa yung success or your goals, pinag-iisipan mo pa talaga to, itong mga bagay na to, about this person na nag-o-offer sa'yo ng commitment, relationship, or even marriage ba to. Hindi ka talaga sure, yun yung nararamdaman mo. Actually, gusto mo siyang kausapin about this, pero gusto mong sabihin sa kanya lahat ng mga na-experience mo, lahat kung bakit ganito ka. Pero parang aloof ka kasi you don't trust anymore. Hindi ka sure kasi baka mag-away lang kayo, baka you know. But you know, part of you is still a wish fulfillment sa'yo. Being the Aquarius is you really want to feel love and to feel love by the right person. Yun yung ano mo dito, yung wish fulfillment sa'yo talaga, pero meron ng fear sa'yo about what happened. Siguro hindi pa to ganito katagal na nangyari sa buhay mo. Kaya nandun ka sa point of having this option na decision whether na mag-heal na ba ako or tatanggapin ko ba tong offer na to. Okay na ba ako mag-isa? kasi takot ako. Parang ganun. Ayaw mo yung nag-aaway tapos maghihiwalay or iiwan na naman ulit. Gusto mo yung taong mamahalin ka ng totoo. Taong hindi ka sasaktan at hindi ka iiwan. Ganun ka. Of course, hindi mo naman mababasa yung utak ng taong ito. Even na nakikita natin na ano to, 'di ba? So, ang offer sa'yo ng taong ito is really good. Is really serious talaga. So, tingnan natin what will going to happen this month of September. Okay? Ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari this month of September, Aquarius? So, let's see. Ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari this month of October? Okay. So, Aquarius sign, I can see here that hindi ka makakatulog sa kaisip about the proposal of this person. And feeling ko, you will choose to walk away. You will choose to walk away calmly in this situation. Kasi gusto mo munang mag-isip. Kasi may takot na talaga sa'yo dito. Even this October, ramdam mo to. You are rebuilding yourself already. Nagka-catch up mo na ulit yung sarili mo. Yung nagmo-move on ka na. Okay ka na. Nagiging okay ka na ulit. Then, may dumating na naman sa'yo. So, merong fear talaga sa'yo dito of parang broken-hearted. But this person really, I tell you, if naka-resonate ka sa reading na to, seryoso tong taong ito. Pero, this time, seryoso talaga siya. Itong person na to, mahal ka niya. Pwede ka niyang mamahalin pa talaga. To offer you an unconditional love if ever. This might be your soulmate. Pwedeng, this person really wanted na, sorry about the ingay. Pero, parang sa'yo kasi talaga dito is, sakit naman ang mga nangyari sa'yo before. Kaya, you choose to walk away calmly first to think. Parang siguro sinabi mo to sa kanya na gusto ko muna mapag-isa, mag-isip. And, this month of October, ganito yung pwedeng mangyari. So, you might be dealing here with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. Pisces sign is here. So, you might have a Capricorn in your chart. So, check your placement. So, let's see about the near future. Okay, the outcome. Pwedeng kayo din yung magkatuluyan dito, Aquarius. Not for life, baka magkaroon, hindi ko lang sure about for life kasi madami pang pwedeng mangyari. Pero there is a tendency na magkakatuluyan din kayo ng person na to kasi in the near future, for the outcome of this, merong happiness, merong relationship na magbo-bloom, mag-uumpisa, commitment, plans, and ipaglalaban pa din. Kahit pa sabihin natin na may mga fear ka dito and you really like willing to not to accept this person talaga, ipaglalaban ka niya. Magkakaroon pa din ng ano dito talaga, feeling ko, yung togetherness, you know. Kasi gusto ka ng taong ito eh, mahal ka niya, and willing siya na mamahalin ka pa more. So, yun. That is my reading for you. Actually, I will going to drop a cards. So, let's see about an oracle card for you. So, by Angel Indriel, you are the light worker. God needs you to shine your divine light and love like an angel upon the earth and all of its inhabitants. So, this is really you, Aquarius. You are a light worker. Kasi, mga Aquarius kasi, they are humanitarian people. So, they love to share their ideas, their ano man yung mga thoughts ng mga Aquarius sign, ano yung mga nalalaman nila. So, you are a light worker. God's need you to shine your divine light and love like an angel upon the earth and all of these inhabitants. So, hindi siya totally nakakonect sa reading mo, pero this is just a message from your angels for you, Aquarius. So, thank you and God bless.